A cute little robot named Mochan. Normally, it wanders around exploring its surroundings. Or it can be controlled using a smartphone via Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First, draw a frame for the outer shell. Or you can download the drawing I've included in the description. For this project, I need 1mm copper or brass wire. Bend the brass wire according to the drawing and solder it together. Next, prepare 8 pieces of brass wire, each 2.6 centimeters long. Now solder the brass wire pieces onto the frame. Once both sections are ready, solder them together to complete the main structure. This gives us a frame like this. For the next step, cut 2 pieces of brass wire, each 5.5 centimeters long. And don't forget the DC geared motor. Now attach it to the frame. It will provide the driving force for the entire mechanism. Next, I'll use an ESP32C3 as the project's main controller. A 0.96-inch OLED display. Use glue to secure the display to the frame. I'll include the wiring diagram in the description. Next, prepare a motor driver module. The wiring diagram will be included in the description for reference. I need a battery charging and protection module. I'll use a 3.7 volt lithium battery to power the circuit. Then add a small power switch. Connect it to a computer and upload the code. I'll include the code in the description. Now attach the 64-tooth gear to the motor shaft. Use a pen tube or a plastic tube to connect the gear to the motor shaft. It features 3 modes: curiosity mode, where it explores and roams around; wiggle mode, with subtle, gentle motion, perfect while charging or sitting on your desk; and sleep mode, where it remains still, displaying only its eyes. Or it can also be controlled manually. This is curiosity mode, the active state where it explores and moves around. And that's it. Good luck with your own version. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.